Welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide the author name in your WordPress posts. Fast, easy, and fully up to date for 2025. Whether you're new to WordPress or just looking to clean up your blog, this guide will have you covered in minutes. First, open your web browser and go to the WordPress homepage. From there, click on the login option at the top right. You can sign in using your Google account for a quick and secure login. Once you're in your dashboard, head over to the post section. This is where all your published, scheduled, and draft posts live. Now, focus on the top right corner of the post page and click on Screen Options. This powerful tool lets you customize what elements show up on your dashboard. Look for the author box in the drop-down menu. By default, it's usually checked, which is why your author name shows on posts. Simply uncheck the author box. Once that's done, hit apply to save your changes. And just like that, the author name disappears from your post, giving your content a cleaner, more professional look. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step way to hide author names on WordPress posts without touching a single line of code. Try it out on your site and enjoy a polished, distraction-free presentation for your readers.